Shenzhen Lian Yunda Electronic Company Limited (LYD) is an innovative company, and it is committed to providing the highest quality AC/DC power adapter, medical adapter, and battery charge for its clients through expert engineering, superior products, and dependable service. We can supply a wide variety range of product from 5 watt to 500 watt, which certified with UL, CUL Class 2 CE, GS, FCC, CCC certificates. Also, our company has been in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 certification system for cooperation. Our mission is improving the process and outcome for every client by offering power supply solutions as well as expert advice from our highly trained technical specialists. For the market, we build the network in domestic and abroad. It is very popular in developed countries like America, Canada, Europe, Japan, Australia, Korea, etc. With excellent product quality and perfect service, LYD gets to be highly approved from our customers and the trade union. We, LYD Company, are on a mission to cultivate talents, save energy, and protect environment, and contribute to society and establishing excellent brand, providing quality products and services. To learn more about how our company can help you make your next project shine, please don't hesitate to contact us.